This is Sankalp from Influence. In today's video, we shall be showing you how to install the Influence Pixel on your Podia website. Once you have signed up with the Influence using your email ID and verified the email ID, you will land up on the first page of the dashboard from where you need to copy the pixel. Click on Copy Pixel. The pixel gets copied to the clipboard. Go to the Podia dashboard. Click on the site settings. Go to the analytics section. Scroll down and you can paste it on the website tracking port. Once you've done it, click on Save Changes. Go back to the Influence dashboard and click on Recheck Status. You may have to visit your website in incognito mode and refresh the website a couple of times to verify the pixel. Wait for this button to go green. Once you receive the message, "Congrats, your pixel is verified now," you can proceed to the next page and create your campaigns. Thank you.